Hello, welcome to Killingworth, our beloved hometown, Killingworth, Connecticut. I'm Stephen Watson, and this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. So, this is to be done when you're in a car, driving or not. Obviously, it'll be easier to do if you're not driving, more difficult if you're driving, but safety first. Enjoy the open baihui. And endeavor to work on your principles, the principles of your practice, while you are driving. You obviously are not going to be able to do every posture while you're driving, but your principles should remain available to you in most everything that you do, including driving. And that's something that we commonly do, where our focus is on something else, right, further ahead than us as we drive and move at speed through the world, as we have our radio on and listen to whatever is being put into our mind. Good bit of advice here, since we're at the traffic circle. Really recommend improving your life by always circling the circle before you go where you're going. But at any rate, perhaps the practiced principles of your Tàijíquán that are accessible to you. That lady just cut me off, so we just slow down and do not swear and grimace and give her space and presume the best rather than the worst. That was close to an accident. Interesting. And look at that. And there's some karma. She's pulling over into the food pantry, so maybe a volunteer. Anyway, perhaps the principles of your practice available to you readily while you are driving, or perhaps being driven, are posture, are breathing, our relaxation through the shoulders, our activation of much of the body in what you're doing. So rather than just kind of steering with your arm from the shoulder joint, try and engage a bit more through the connective tissue, and enjoy where you're going as much as you enjoy where you are. Thank you. And don't forget, where you are is where your teacher helped you get. So some things may be in order. Thank you for supporting me. This is my Linktree page, and this is Tàijíquán Tips, because tips really help me stay alive. Thank you very much. Do stay in touch and comment and share.